this is the other side, guys. This is the area outside. This is the other reception. This is from outside here. You can sit down here if you like to the barbecue, grills, anything. That's included also that building. So here, there's a lot of chair here. See? Came from outside. So you can go there to the door. And this is the main entrance. And this is the other side. And that's all the restaurant there. We're going to check that later. And later the room. Going to room you in the room. So guys, this is the room. This is king size bed. And first, this is the bathroom. So it's good for couples. But for family, no. Family need 2 beds. So that's the toilet. Vanity in the sink. Toilet bowl, shower room. And there's an oven. See? There's also dishwasher. And there's cabinet. Another cabinet here. This refrigerator. So if you have drinks, you can put your drinks here. And there's a study table and lamp. See the lamp, guys? See, the lamp is good. And I have 1 sofa and 1 table. And this is my lamp. This is the mirror, the other lamp. There's telephone. It's my bed. And there's TV and cabinet. Also here. See? That's from outside. Oh my god. See, guys? I'm from out. You can see the view here. See? So big. This is 6th floor, guys, and that's the hanger. You can put your hanger there. So that's all.